Hey there, cookie lovers! Today, we're baking up a classic treat easy-to-bake chocolate chip cookies. In just a few simple steps, you'll have delicious homemade cookies ready to enjoy. Let's get started. You'll need 1 cup of softened unsalted butter, 1 cup of white sugar, 1 cup of packed brown sugar, 2 large eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of hot water, ½ teaspoon of salt, 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips. In a large bowl, cream together 1 cup of softened unsalted butter, 1 cup of white sugar, and 1 cup of packed brown sugar until smooth. Beat in 2 large eggs one at a time, then stir in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Dissolve 1 teaspoon of baking soda in 2 teaspoons of hot water. Add this to the batter along with ½ teaspoon of salt. Next, gradually blend in 3 cups of all-purpose flour until well combined. Finally, fold in 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Drop spoonfuls of dough onto ungreased baking sheets, leaving enough space between each for spreading. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the cookies for about 10 minutes or until the edges are nicely browned. Once baked, let the cookies cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. And there you have it, easy, delicious chocolate chip cookies. Perfect for sharing or keeping all to yourself. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy and tasty recipes. Happy baking!